Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top-notch products. Today we're diving into the world of hose repair kits, bringing you the best-selling options available on Amazon. These kits are essential for maintaining your garden or any hose-dependent system, ensuring you never face unexpected leaks or breaks. Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon. Stay tuned for a detailed countdown of the top products that will keep your hoses in perfect working condition. Let's dive right in. At number 5, we present the Hydraulic Hose Repair Kit, designed for quick and reliable emergency repairs. This versatile kit is compatible with R2, R16, R17, and R19 two-wire hydraulic hoses, ensuring a seamless fit on 2SN/2SC type hoses. Imagine being in the middle of a crucial operation, and suddenly a hydraulic hose gives way. No worries, this kit has you covered. It supports hose sizes -0.4, 1/4 inches ID approx, 0.55 inches OD, -0.6, 3/8 inches ID approx, 0.69 inches OD, and -0.8, 1/2 inches ID approx, 0.81 inches OD. Whether it's a small fix or a larger issue, this kit's got the dimensions to match. The standout feature, a leak-proof design. This unique, tighter fit ensures a secure seal, significantly reducing the risk of hydraulic fluid leakage. Reliability is paramount, and this kit delivers every time. Perfect for emergency repairs across various equipment, it's a versatile solution that's essential for those unexpected breakdowns in multiple industries. The zinc-plated, corrosion-resistant components promise long-lasting durability. And the best part? It's reusable. That's right. You can count on this kit not just once, but repeatedly, making it a cost-effective and sustainable option for ongoing hydraulic hose maintenance. Get ready to enhance your repair toolkit with the Hydraulic Hose Repair Kit, your go-to for efficient, reliable, and versatile hydraulic hose repairs. Let's proceed with number 4 on our countdown of best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon, the Lisle 82130 Hose Spoon. This isn't just any tool, it's a game-changer in hose removal. Imagine the hassle of wrestling with stubborn hoses, risking damage and frustration. The Lisle 82130 Hose Spoon eliminates that struggle with its ingenious design. What sets it apart? Wider blades. These blades drastically reduce the chance of damage when removing hoses. Say goodbye to unnecessary wear and tear. Now, think versatility. This tool features 2 blades, a long blade for pulling the hose off and a short blade for pushing. It's a dynamic duo designed to tackle any hose removal challenge with ease. Comfort and control are key. That's why the handles are crafted from dual materials, ensuring a comfortable grip and superior control. No slipping, no discomfort, just smooth, efficient operation. Plus, it boasts a universal fit. No more worrying about compatibility issues. Whether you're working in your garage or out in the field, the Lisle 82130 Hose Spoon adapts effortlessly to your needs. Revolutionize your hose maintenance routine with the Lisle 82130 Hose Spoon. It's precision, comfort, and versatility, all in one remarkable tool. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon is the Gates 91143 Large ID Hose Cutter. This is not just a tool, it's an essential piece of equipment designed to deliver precise cuts every time. Originating from China, this cutter stands out in terms of both design and functionality. Picture this, a tool that effortlessly slices through large hoses, saving you time and effort. Let's talk dimensions. The package height is a compact 1.5 inches, while the length stretches to 12.25 inches. It's sleek yet substantial, providing the perfect balance for handling and storage. The package width? A practical 5.0 inches, ensuring it fits snugly in your toolkit without occupying excessive space. Why choose the Gates 91143? It's all about precision and ease. This cutter is engineered to tackle larger diameter hoses with minimal fuss, making it an indispensable tool for anyone dealing with heavy-duty hose maintenance. Elevate your repair game with the Gates 91143 Large ID Hose Cutter. It's precision, practicality, and power, all wrapped into one efficient package. Get ready to experience hose cutting like never before. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon? Well, don't let the pressure burst your bubble. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the next tool that'll seal the deal. Let's dive right in with number 2 on our countdown of best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon, the LIBRATON Hose Removal Pliers. Imagine this. You're deep into a project, needing to remove a stubborn hose. The LIBRATON Hose Removal Pliers are your perfect companion. This tool is designed with safety and efficiency at its core. Its reasonable structure makes it simple to use, requiring no special skills or experience. It's safe, time-saving, and labor-saving, all in one. Crafted from high-quality materials, these pliers can withstand significant force without deforming or breaking. Durability? Check. Long service life? Absolutely. Comfort is key, especially during extended use. The ergonomic handle, made from PVC material, features anti-slip properties to relieve hand fatigue and boost work efficiency. Plus, the PVC material meets environmental testing standards, passing RoHS 2.0 and REACH tests. Versatility? These pliers have it in spades. Suitable for automobile maintenance, petroleum industries, machinery manufacturing, and more, they perform flawlessly in various environments, indoors, outdoors, even at high altitudes. This flexibility makes them indispensable in any toolkit. And here's the cherry on top: exceptional after-sales service. Have a question? The professional team is ready to respond within 24 hours. Enhance your repair toolkit with the LIBRATON Hose Removal Pliers. It's safety, efficiency, and versatility, wrapped into one incredible tool. And now, for the grand finale, number 1 on our countdown of best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon, the Orion MotorTech 9-piece Hose Clamp Plier Set. This isn't just a tool set, it's a comprehensive solution for all your hose repair needs. Imagine having everything you need in one place: long-reach cabled hose clamp pliers, Clic R type collar pliers, swivel jaw band clip and spring wire clip pliers, regular and angled flat band hose clamp pliers, hose removal pliers, a dual-headed screwdriver, and a hose hook. Whether you're working on fuel, oil, or water hose repairs, this set is your ultimate companion. Precision engineered to fit hose clamps ranging from 11/16 inch to 212 inches. This set includes flexible hose clamp pliers, swivel jaw band clip and spring wire clip pliers, and regular and angled flat band hose clamp pliers for spring-type clamps. The Clic R collar pliers handle ear-type clamps, while the hose removal pliers are perfect for most standard clamps. What makes this set a standout? The user-friendly locking mechanisms on the 5 spring clamp-compatible pliers. These mechanisms keep your clamps held open, freeing your hands and accelerating your workflow. No more juggling tools. Focus on getting the job done efficiently. Durability meets comfort in this set. Constructed from durable structural steel and blackened for maximum strength and corrosion resistance, these pliers are built to last. The easy grip rubberized handles reduce fatigue, making prolonged use a breeze. Plus, everything is neatly organized in a sturdy blow-molded case, keeping your tools portable and ready for action. From cars to trucks to motorcycles, the Orion MotorTech 9-piece hose clamp pliers set ensures easy fuel, oil, and water hose repair, removal, and replacement. Elevate your repair game with this unbeatable set. It's precision, versatility, and convenience all in one. Experience the pinnacle of hose repair technology with Orion MotorTech. It's not just a tool set, it's a revolution in your hands. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling hose repair kits on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.